Hi everyone, hope you had a nice day today. The market was bullish right from the morning and we got to new highs. We broke almost all the resistances that were there and it was a nice climb for the market today. So let's see how it happened, right? This was the first bar at 9:30. If you see, we gapped open around 7 points, but it still could not open around that 113 level. In the morning, I said that the ETH bulls were holding the 90 line and the RTH bulls were holding the 08 line, and my expectation was if we come down to 08 and go back above 1-3 again, that will be a good move to catch on the upside. So what we did was below the bar one, we scalped around 5-6 points in the downward direction, and then once this start, we saw this, right? We came down again to 5204. We closed below 8, but as soon as we got this candle, we got long somewhere here, believing that the 08 will continue. And the idea was that, okay, if it goes above 13 and holds 13 or holds the EMA, then we can go further up, right? And it actually did. If you see from the bottom, from 0425, as the price was going up, I was expecting it to hit 30 points, which will be 34.25, but we were stalling here at the 28.5 points, and we came out around here, the 29.5 area. So that was the first trade of the day. We did not take any shorts today because the market was very bullish and I did not intend to take any shorts. But when this happened again, like I showed a couple of days back, how to predict your channel, we took this line when it was connecting these two, and I put it down here. That was my low at that point. Sorry, this also moved, so I put it down there. And when I saw these three candles happened, then these two happened, but I was still not confident. I was looked at this bounce here. This was the first bounce, this was the second bounce, this was the third bounce. I took a chance and I went long here, and this time we got that 34. So that 30-point measured move happened here, and we did come out of the trade here again at 34 exactly. And then the next trade was when this channel was getting done. We were again looking at this kind of a structure. So if I bring it down here, we were looking at this kind of a structure. When this broke out, came back out, we broke out again. We entered here above 34 once again, and then we held it on. We took profit at this double top. When this double top happened, we took some profit here, and then I was holding one contract which I finally came out at the 40 level to end the day. So that is how the day went for me and for the others on Discord. Now if you remember at the beginning of the week, I had said that the bulls will be eyeing, the weekly bulls will be eyeing 5262 as their target. Now if I look at the daily chart today, we are pretty much bullish, right? So if you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 days, so there is nothing that is holding back prices now, and I am expecting that we will be in this area, the 62 to 70 area or higher tomorrow. Now everything is again based on what news comes out tomorrow morning, what happens at 8:30, what happens at 10 o'clock, and if anyone else is speaking. I will create a list of that and post it on my Facebook page later tonight. But yeah, we are very bullish, and this may provide some kind of resistance, but I think that will be minor. With whatever movement the bulls are having here, there's a high probability that we are going to break through, and we may see somewhere around 5284 or this area by end of day tomorrow. So yeah, that we will see that. And then if I remove the drawings, let's see if any wedges have been formed. Okay, so we do have a wedge breakout here. So this was a wedge that held. We came down, we did two legs on the daily, and then we went back up again. The wedge, we came down below the wedge and we are above the wedge. So if I look at it now, even if I say that the leg started from here and we came to here, my 1:1 target is way up there around 5352. So I think the market is going to be bullish. I don't think we are going to reach there at one shot, but yeah, we are on our way up there. So that is it for the day, guys. Have a nice evening, and I'll get back to you again tomorrow. Bye.